Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Capricorn. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Capricorn, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Five of Cups. So something has happened, something has left. You're feeling sad and disappointed. This something could either happen in your personal life that's affecting your career, or some kind of opportunity that you really wanted has slipped out of your hands. So but there is this energy where at an emotional level you are transforming, and this emotional transformation that's happening is having either a direct or an indirect impact on your career at the moment. And also number 5 is the number of Mercury. That means for some of you this might be related to the promotion, this might be related to starting a new job or communicating. Maybe you have received a news uh, you know uh, regarding electronic means, so email or a phone call or a text that's leaving you sort of feeling like that you're sad, that you're disappointed. The next card I have for you is the Nine of Cups. Now, two cups cards together, that means something is definitely going on the emotional pain for you. So the Five of Cups with the Nine, so we are having this energy of Venus and Mars being combined. And when Venus and Mars get combined, the energy is all about, where there's aggression, want to do something, like there's a feeling of starting something or initiating something from the very bottom of your heart. And if we just look at the tarot meanings of it, what you're seeing is something has gone away from you, like something has changed on the emotional front for you, and that's making you feel very confident despite the little bit of sadness that you're feeling because of this card. There is this sense of proud, there is this sense of being happiness. For some of you, you might have applied for a couple of opportunities, and the one opportunity or the one job that you really wanted, that might have slipped from your hands, but you were offered something else in return. So I do see for Capricornians you getting something that you really really wanted. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Swords. So that's a double nine. So Nine of Swords. And maybe you're doing multiple things at the same time because there is a sense of stress. So there is some kind of anxiety. Maybe you're still looking forward to getting this news that has left you sort of depressed, or you are anxiously waiting for a news to come and you're feeling very proud about it, but at the same time, it's giving you stress. So definitely stress is part of whatever situation that you are going through at the moment. Let's see what other cards I have for you guys. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Wands. So definitely there is a start that is happening. I wasn't sure before, but now, yes, you might be starting a new job. You might have been, like, from last 9 months, you might have been without a job, and you are finally going to get an opportunity that you can explore. And for some of you, I do feel like this opportunity is going to be something you've never done before, and it's getting you all excited and riled up from the inside. The next card that I have for you is the Five of Pentacles, and magically you are going to get help. So if things have been financially hard, I do feel with the Ace of Wands and the Five of Pentacles coming together, things are finally going to be all right. Now what you have to realize is we have two number fives and we have two number nines. So the energy of Venus, so energy of wealth, collecting resources, things related to your family, things related to your relationship, and number 9, things related to having a schedule, things related to becoming a soldier, becoming disciplined. So all those things are very very prominent. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Pentacles. So 100% you guys are going to start something, whether it's a side hustle or it's your main job, but I do see a job coming. For people who are unemployed, I do see an offer coming towards you, and I also see that you guys have been without a job, or you're not feeling very happy in your job from the last couple of months. But don't worry, hang in there just a little bit longer and things are going to work out for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Knight of Cups. So 100% you have a good news coming towards you. Make sure to check your inbox, to check your SMS. Try not to miss any calls, because there is going to be someone who is going to call you or reach out to you, and they are going to bring you a wonderful news. The next card that I have for you guys is the Seven of Cups, and this card is telling you to not put your fingers into too many pies, but rather Have your focus on the thing that you really really want the most. Seven of Cups also tells me that a lot of this time you are going through this emotional change. A transformation is happening, but for many of you, 70% it's happening on the emotional side rather than on your career side. It's your emotions, it's your personal life, it's your mind that's actually influencing what happens in your professional life and what happens in regards to money. So if you guys have been, suffering from this period of time where you didn't have a lot of cash, or the inflow of cash was not coming, well, there are chances that finally cash is going to flow towards you. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Wands, and Two of Wands tells me that there are very strong chances that you guys are finally going to make a plan. You're going to make a choice. From Ace of Pentacles, you're going to Two of Wands. That means you're going to make a decision, and then you are going to run towards that decision very, very excitedly. You're going to be super excited. You're going to have two options that will be given to you, and you'll have to make a choice. For some of you, there is also an option whether you want to stay where you are or you want to grow. So for some, for the majority of you, I do see a chance of getting a job in a different organization, or in a different country, because Ace of Wands is here, Two of Wands is here. So you definitely, you guys are trying to, move out of your current situation and you're wanting to grow. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of messages we are getting from you. The first card that I have for you is Don't Let Pride Get in Your Way. Full moon in Leo. So Leo card is all about arrogance. It's all about pride. Leo card, or Leo sign is also about having that self-confidence. Remember when the Nine of Cups came up, I told you there's a very high sense of self-confidence and feeling, but don't let this pride get in your way. So that is the message we are getting from the Moonology oracle. Also, when Leo sign gets activated, means your fifth house is getting activated, and fifth house is all about following your passion, following your creativity. And for many of you, I told you, there are chances of getting a job in a field that you've never done before, but you feel very passionate about. The next card from Moonology deck that I have for you guys is End of a Tough Cycle Approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. So Capricorns, ruled by the sign of Saturn. Here your 10th house is getting activated. So something that has not been working out in your career very well is finally going to end, and you will finally see the light at the end of the tunnel that you can, walk into and embrace the change that is coming towards you. But my only advice looking at these cards is take good care of your emotional health or of your mental health, because I do see some kind of stress, and it's not going to be little. I do see it's going to be very prominent. So do let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.